Well, hello again, everyone. Welcome to Jay's Learning School. I'm Jay, and I'm excited because I have the opportunity to teach you more English words. Today, we're going to talk about sports, and I'm going to give you some vocabulary words in English that you can use to communicate and talk about sports. So I have about 20 or 25 or so various different sports that I'm going to tell you about in English, and you can practice and you can start using these in your conversation. Before we get into today's lesson, I want to invite you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give me a like if you learned something. Leave me a comment. Let me know down in the comment, do you watch sports? If you do, what's your favorite sport? And at the end of the video, or towards the end of the video, I'm going to read some subscriber comments that we have for today's episode. And please share today's video with other people that you know that are trying to learn to speak better English. Okay? Our first sports English vocabulary word is football. Football. Here in the United States, football is very popular in college. It's called the NCAA, and the professional league is called the NFL. And they have right under 30 teams in the NFL and hundreds of college football games that come on the weekend here in the United States. Football. Football. Our next sports word is soccer. Soccer. Now, in other countries, football or soccer is called football, but it's the opposite here in the United States. Soccer is not that popular, though it is picking up a little steam here in the United States. But there are colleges and high schools that have soccer teams, and the national teams are under the umbrella of the MLS. And I believe we have a national team that plays other countries as well. Soccer. Soccer. Our next word is baseball. Baseball. In the United States, baseball is considered to be America's pastime. Though baseball is not as popular as football, baseball is a sport that many people do enjoy watching. In some instances, it's not as exciting as other sports, in my opinion, but I do enjoy baseball. It is a very skilled sport to be able to play, but it is popular in this country. Baseball. Okay, our next word, softball. Softball. Softball is a sport that is played by females. The ball is a little bit larger, and they underhand pitch. They call it, I believe it's called underhanded fastball or fast pitch softball. And I love to watch them play. It's very exciting. Their games are not as long as a baseball game, and the field is a little bit smaller than a baseball field, but softball is very exciting. Softball. Basketball. Basketball. Basketball is very popular in this country. We have the National Basketball Association, or the NBA, and then you have high school and college teams, and it's very, very exciting game. It's played with 5 people on the court, and you can play it indoors or outdoors. Basketball. Basketball. Bowling. Bowling. Now, I enjoy bowling. Oh, wow. I enjoy bowling so much that I have my own pair of bowling ball shoes, and I have my own bowling ball that's made to fit my fingers and my hand, and it's the weight that I like. So I enjoy bowling. 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 Okay? Tennis. 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 Tennis is a fun sport. It is played outdoors. You rarely find an indoor court, but it's played outdoors. You have to be in shape to play tennis, but tennis is pretty fun. Tennis, you hit the ball back and forth over a net, and you can play with one person on a team or two people. Tennis. Swimming. 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 And of course, swimming is just that. In a swimming pool, and you race to see who is the fastest. Swimming. Lacrosse. Lacrosse. That is a very physical sport where they toss the ball with a stick with a net at the end. And it's a lot of running, and it seems to be fun. I occasionally or rarely watch lacrosse, but it is picking up popularity here in our country. It's very popular amongst some high schools and college teams. Lacrosse. Lacrosse. Our next sports vocabulary word, archery. Archery. Basically, you're testing the accuracy of someone who shoots a bow and arrow. Archery. Okay? Our next word, golf. 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 You hit a ball with the stick, basically, or with the golf club. So I'm not going to say a stick, but a golf club. Golf, and you have to get the ball into the hole with as few strokes as possible. Golf. Hockey. Hockey. Hockey involves ice skating. And so hockey is played indoors primarily. Oftentimes you will see ice rinks outside, and they play hockey outdoors in the winter. Hockey is somewhat popular here in this country. Hockey. Gymnastics. Gymnastics. Isn't it amazing to see how people use their body in gymnastics and the different routines that they have? Gymnastics. Gymnastics. And our last English vocabulary word that has to do with sports is track, or often called track and field. But track is where people race to see who is the fastest. Track. And of course, they have long distance and short distance relay races. Track. Well, I want to thank you so much for watching today's video. Let's look at a viewer comment that one of my viewers submitted. And I'm sorry if I mispronounce her name. Miss Amanjit, I believe you say it. But she has left several comments, and I'm so grateful for her watching. I asked a question to many of my subscribers in some of my past videos, where are you from? And she replied, I am from India. God bless you. That is so awesome. Someone all the way in India is watching Jay's Learning School. So thank you so much for watching and learning from my videos. I hope my videos are helping you when it comes to your English vocabulary and your phrases. So drop me a comment, let me know where you're from, and I will try to talk about it and reply here on one of the episodes. As always, thank you so much for taking time to watch my videos. I really appreciate it, and I hope the videos are helping you. Please subscribe. If you learned something, give me a like, a comment, and share my videos. And I hope you join me on my next video, and I have plenty other videos that you can watch here on my channel. So make sure you click on one of these and watch these videos to help you better your English right here on Jay's Learning School. I hope you join me next time, and God bless you.